Good morning, everyone, and I hope you are having a beautiful day so far. Today, we are going to talk all things Publix, and I want to give you all the tips and tricks that I use each and every week to save money on your grocery bill at Publix. I think I'm going to break this video up into two parts. And the first part of this video is going to be me talking about how you can save at the register and get a lower out-of-pocket using Publix's sales and their coupons. The first thing I want to talk about is the Publix weekly ad and the Publix extra savings flyer. Now this is where you're going to find all the sales and promotions that Publix is running for a certain time period. Now the weekly ad runs for a week. My weekly ad runs from Wednesday to the following Tuesday. Your weekly ad may run from Thursday to the following Wednesday. Now this is where we're going to find our buy one get one free, buy two get one free, spend so much on a product, get $5 off, or buy a certain quantity of a product and get $5 off. Different sales like that. And that is our first way we are going to save at the register. Now the extra savings flyer is going to be a 2-week savings flyer. So it's going to start on a Saturday and it's going to end on 2 Fridays from that Saturday. I hope that makes sense. Now this is where we're going to find our first set of coupons. Now this is going to be where you find your Publix store coupons. Now these are store coupons. They do not have a barcode, but they have a LU number or a lookup code, and the cashier is going to type that number into the register at checkout, and that's where you're going to see your discount. Or if you do the self-checkout, you can type that number in as well. Now on the topic of buy one get one free, you are going to either live in a full buy one get one free area or a half buy one get one free area, and you will hear this referred to as full BOGO or half BOGO. Now if you live in full BOGO and you do a buy one get one free promotion, you are going to see one of your items ring up at full price and your second item is going to ring up as free. Now, if you live in a half BOGO state like I do, you're gonna have, on your receipt, you're gonna have one item ring up at half price and the next item is gonna ring up at half price. Now, these different scenarios will react differently to different coupons and they each have their perks. Now we're gonna get into different types of coupons that Publix accepts. Now, Publix accepts manufactured coupons, and these are coupons like these that you will find in your Sunday paper. Now this is a paper version of this coupon that you do have to purchase. Now since we're on the topic of saving money, I purchased mine with store rewards from Walgreens. Just a little tip. We don't want to be spending money on things that are supposed to save us money. That is just my opinion. If you don't have good coupons in your area, don't worry. In the Publix app, they have digital versions of these coupons that will come off at checkout. So they accept manufactured coupons in the paper and digital version. They accept their store coupons that we just mentioned come in the extra savings flyer. You also may see some store coupons scattered throughout the store on little tear pads, things like that. They do accept store coupons. They accept internet coupons. Now these are coupons that you can print from coupons.com, or you can get printable coupons by subscribing to different businesses' websites, and you will see a lot of these in my videos, and I will always have links to these businesses down in the description box, so it'll make it easy for you to subscribe, and they will start emailing you coupons, and now Publix does accept those. Now they also accept competitor coupons from different grocery stores in your area. It's going to be different for everyone. Now, ways that we can stack coupons with sales, and I'm going to give you a few different scenarios. Say you are in a full BOGO state and you have received a buy one get one free coupon. Now, the way that's going to work for you is you're going to go to the register and you're going to buy your buy one get one free promotion, and it's going to ring up full price and it's going to ring up $0. Then you're going to hand your cashier your buy one get one free coupon. It is going to take that remaining balance of your full priced item off, and you're going to be left to pay $0. Now, the way that same scenario is going to work for a half BOGO state one item is going to ring up half price and the next item is going to ring up half price. Then you're going to hand your buy one get one free coupon to your cashier, and it is going to take one of those half priced items off, and you're going to be left to pay that remaining half priced balance. For buy one get one free items at Publix, each item is considered a separate purchase. That means that you can use your coupons on the free item. So if the terms and conditions of the coupon allow you to use 2 identical coupons per transaction, you can use 2 coupons on 2 items at Publix. Super generous of Publix, because not every store is going to let you use coupons on the free item. So that is more ways that you can save at the register with Publix. Another way to save at the register with your coupons is by stacking 2 coupons for 1 product. And what I mean by this is you can stack a store coupon that you get from a tear pad or the extra savings flyer, and you can actually stack that with a manufacturer coupon for the same product. Now, this will only work with a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon. You cannot stack 2 manufacturer coupons on 1 product. You can stack a store and a manufacturer. Another promotion that Publix does that will help you save money on your groceries at the register is their gas card promotion. Now, this is one of my favorite promotions, and I do it every single time that they have this, because we're going to be buying gas anyway, so why not save money on our groceries while we do it? So the promotion is when you spend $50 on groceries and purchase a $50 gas card, you're going to save $10 at the register on your grocery bill. Now, what is even better is that this is $50 on groceries before coupons. So your coupon deduction will not take away from that $50 threshold. Now, this is one of my favorite promotions that they do. Now, they will also do some promotions where they will have the same promotion, but it may be on a Happy gift card or a Visa gift card or just different things like that in the app, and they work the same way. Now, these are some of my favorite promotions, because even if it's not a gas card and it is a gift card, you can put those away for gifts, or you can save them. So one thing I do is sometimes they will have the same promotion, but it will be on a Macy's gift card, and it'll be around August. And they've done this the last few years, and I am able to take that Macy's gift card and buy school clothes for my kids. So there are just different ways that you can save on your grocery using these gift card promotions. All right, guys, now this is going to be part 2 of the video. So now that we have learned how we can save at the register with coupons and sales and stacking coupons and sales together to get our out-of-pocket as low as possible once we make that purchase and we get our receipt, now let's talk about what we can do with that. One of the things that you can do with that receipt is you can submit to promotional websites that are offering rebates that are going to reward you with gift cards. 2 of the sites that I like to use are the P&G Good Everyday website. They will a couple of times a year offer rebate reward programs where if you spend a certain amount of money on certain products, they will send you a Visa gift card. And I'm going to walk you through that website. This is what the P&G website is going to look like. I will have it linked down in the description box so that you can find it super easy. Now, if you come over here to the left panel, you're going to see different options. Now, I'm going to show you their coupons just really quickly. Now, keep in mind, if you do print a coupon from the P&G Good Everyday website, it is only going to be good for a day. So make sure you do not print it until you actually want to use it. So they have tons of coupons that you can use to stack with promotions at Publix. You can even use these at Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, all kinds of places. So there are the coupons. Now we're going to come back over here to the same panel, and we're going to go to the rebate section. Now the rebate section is going to look like this, and you're going to see different options for certain rebates that they offer throughout the year, and they're going to show you exactly what you need to purchase to do this promotion. Now you're going to fill out your contact information right here, and then once you scroll on down, this is where you're going to put all of the details for the item that you have purchased. Now keep in mind, if you do a P&G rebate, the total that you have to get to is always going to be after a coupon is deducted. So the coupon is going to take away from that spend threshold for any promotion that you are going to do for the P&G website. All right, the next promotional website that I like to go to get gift cards is the Stocking Spree program. Now the Stocking Spree program is a rewards program that Publix offers. And what you can do is you can purchase certain products that are participating products for this rewards program, and you are going to accumulate points towards a Publix gift card. Now you can redeem up to 12 gift cards per year through the Stocking Spree program. Now I'm going to take you to the Stocking Spree website, and I am going to show you how it looks and walk you through different parts of the website. Alright guys, this is what the Stocking Spree website looks like. I will have it linked down in the description box so that you can find it super easy. So we are going to go over here to the participating products. Now this is where you can find every product that is a participating product for this promotion. And like I said, you can submit for a gift card 12 times per year. All right, we're going to come back to the menu and we're going to go to the facts section. Now, this is where you can find all of the information that you may need or may be looking for. If you have any questions about Stocking Spree, they have some really good links right here that are really informative. We're going to go over here to the Claim Gift Card tab as well. So this is where you're going to go when you have purchased your products and you want to submit for points. So when you submit your receipt, they're going to want you to put a little asterisk or a star by the retailer, the time and the date, so that they know that it was within the promotional time frame, by the products that you are stating are participating products. It's a super user-friendly website. Now that we are a little bit more familiar with Stocking Spree, I am going to talk to you about how you can get your gift cards. Now you can elect to get a digital gift card, or you can elect to get a physical gift card. Now if you elect to get the physical gift card, you are going to have a waiting period. It could be 6 to 8 weeks before they mail you that gift card. But if you do elect to get the digital form of the gift card, it is going to be within 24 hours, and it's going to be on your Publix app in your digital coupon file, and it will come off at your next purchase just like a coupon does. All right, friends, we are coming to a close on this video, and the last thing I want to share information with you about is rebate apps. If this video has helped you so far, consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so. I would love to bring you along this savings journey with me and share deals with you each and every week. So let's get into some information about rebate apps. Now, I will have every rebate app that I mentioned in this video linked down in the description box. If you sign up with my referral code, you will earn a welcome bonus, and I will also earn a referral bonus, and we can help one another out today. All right, the first app I want to mention is my favorite, and that is the Ibotta app. The Ibotta app is a super easy, super user-friendly app. And the thing I love about Ibotta is you can transfer your rebate money directly back into your checking account if that is what you prefer. Now, I prefer to cash out to my PayPal card or my PayPal account because I do have a PayPal debit card, and that is how I try to stay on budget and not use I call it my bill money for couponing. Does that make sense? That way you can absolutely see those savings reflected in your actual checking account. But with Ibotta, you do have to earn up to $20 in rebate money before you can cash out. The same with the next app I'm going to share with you, and that is Checkout 51. You have to accumulate $20 in rebate money to check out or cash out on Checkout 51 as well. Now, the only thing I'm going to mention with Checkout 51 is it does take a little bit longer to cash out with them, simply because they just don't have as many rebates as, say, the Ibotta app. My second favorite rebate app is Swagbucks. I love the Swagbucks app. It is so user-friendly, so easy to use. Now with Swagbucks, you can cash out at $5. So, and the way you cash out with Swagbucks is to gift cards. Now I like to elect to get a $5 PayPal gift card. That way that money is going back into my PayPal account and I can use that for more couponing. So that is the way I do it. It is super easy to use and I truly enjoy using the Swagbucks app. Now, the next app I like is Shopkik. I love the Shopkik app because you really don't even have to purchase anything to get kicks back. You can just walk into a store and you're gonna earn kicks. Just open the app up when you're in the store. You can scan barcodes while you're in the store and earn kicks. Obviously, you're gonna earn more kicks if you do purchase a product. So if I'm using the Shopkik app and I say I'm gonna earn this many scan and buy kicks, that is why, because you can just scan products and earn kicks back. With Shopkik, it's the same thing. You're gonna cash out to gift cards. I obviously elect to cash out to a PayPal gift card, and you can cash out at 2,500 kicks, which is the equivalent of a $10 gift card. The next two apps I'm going to mention are the Merryfield app and the Fetch app. Now, both of these apps, you can just scan your receipts and you're going to earn points back. These are great, super easy apps to use. I love each and every one of them, but they will all be linked down in the description box. All right, guys, and the last little tip I have for you is to be super strategic in the things that you coupon for. It is so easy to get carried away in couponing and just going and getting these amazing deals and, you know, spending a lot of time and a lot of money on couponing when really we should be couponing for things that our family needs and that our families enjoy. So that is my last tip for you, is to be strategic in how you spend your money. Be strategic in what deals you do and do deals that your family needs. So that is my last tip for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was informative for you. And until next time, I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.